here, and I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to get your redstone go longer. As we know, the redstone can only go as much as blocks. But how are we gonna go longer? Example, if you want to light more than 50, let's say 2 blocks. So this is 15, 1, 2, 1. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's okay. So this is the light that you want to open, but you can't because you only got 15 blocks. How are you gonna go longer? So this is a tutorial that will make it longer. So first, put a block here. No, not there. Over here, and put a torch, and then put here. Just do this again in this way. There. So you can do it now as more than 50 blocks away. So if you want to close it, it will close. It will respond to the lever. Okay, so if you want to go longer, just do this again. This is like the thing that we can do. And for the second tutorial, I will teach you how to make this. Where is it? Over here. So when I press this button, it will go automatically close. It will not open. And when I press this again, it will now open, but will not close. So I'm finding this. I've been looking for answers on YouTube, but I cannot get an answer. So I think it's also you guys can also not get the answer from YouTube. So all you need is stone, detector rail, of course a button, lamp is just next time. So what you're gonna do is, let's go up on a clear area. You wanna put stone brick and put your button up here. So just follow me. No, that's wrong. Put the rail in here, so the detector rail will not trigger the powered rail. So let's put a redstone over here, stone brick, redstone torch, and we're gonna do this again, but in the other way. Let's put this here, and then let's make a way over here, maybe 3 blocks, and then a detector rail. The detector rail is okay, it's fine over here if you put a rail over this spot, because it will not do anything. It is only designed to power it. So but in here let's put a rail and a powered rail. Let's put stone bricks. Let's put this thing over here. I think wait, I think we have to test. Okay, so let's test this. You put this there. Oh yeah. Oh no. Is it there? No, I'm not right. Should put this here, I think. So next thing I'm gonna do is, of course, to make it power, to make the power. So we need to power the rails. Let's power it here and there. No, there. Now lastly is put minecart here. Oh, the lantern right here. I mean the lamp. So wherever you want to put, just use this. Wait, there. And when you press it. Wait, it can't go longer. So this is my tutorial. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this thing over here. I'm gonna put some torch. Okay, so it's as you see, it's not glowing, and when you press this, it will glow. Oh no, there's a problem. It's not connected, so to connect this and make sure this is off. And this can always be, you can always put that on. That's alright. It will not there. And you do it again, it's closed. When you do this again, it's open. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.